Hi guys, welcome to Coding Ninja's YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to see how to get placed in Google by using the perfect guide. So what is this perfect guide? Actually, on the Coding Ninja's Code Studio platform, there is a guided path available for many companies, and one of the company is Google itself. So if you go on the guided path, you can see various questions, the interview experiences, and different articles based on which you can prepare for Google itself. So let us suppose Google is extensively asking questions on data structures of heaps, linked list, graphs, and these data structures are not only the simpler ones, they have multiple complexities, and if they are combined together, they are asked in Google. So such questions are needed to be prepared very well. And Code Studio platform presents old questions asked in Google interviews as well as newer questions which can be coming in upcoming interviews of Google. So if you want to really crack Google, this is the perfect guide that you can follow up, in which you can get experience on multiple topics and get a brief idea like which are the actual topics that you should be concerning more and preparing more to crack the Google. Moreover, you can just study around the interview experiences of previously placed candidates or the seniors which have given Google interviews on both on campus and off campus, and you can get a gist that how many rounds of interview are there, what kind of scenario apart from DSA, what things really matters. Like Google tries to put you in a really pressure mode, like they have 45 minutes given to you to code down an optimal approach of a coding solution. They also have a googliness round. So all the things that you need to know about is present on the Google page of Code Studio. So go there, prepare for this, as it is the perfect guide to place yourself in Google. So let's get placed in Google after using this. Okay, bye bye, meet you in the next video.